Welcome everybody. In this video, I will show you how to install .NET Framework offline without Windows installation media like DVD or USB flash drive, an easy step which will work with 99% of you, and the remain 1% I will show them how to fix issues that prevent them from installation later in this video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell icon and like the video. Also, don't forget to add a motivating comment to encourage us publishing more useful videos. Let's try to open an app that requires .NET Framework to learn the importance of this package. This is the error message that will annoying you if didn't install .NET Framework. An app on your PC needs the following Windows feature: .NET Framework 3.5, including .NET 2.0 and 3.0. The video content is divided into two parts. Part 1, straight installation steps that will work with about 99% users. Part 2, additional fixes before installation for those who get errors due to Windows operating system issues. Straight installation steps. Download this file from links in the video description and extract it to any folder by right-click the file and select Extract Here option. This file contains a cab file of .NET Framework package and its associated files. They are 100% safe and secure, and it will work with any build of Windows 10 64-bit without any problem. Copy extracted folder into main directory of C partition. Make sure the volume media folder has a path like this: C:\volume media. Open volume media text file. Search for command prompt by typing cmd into search box and open it as administrator. Copy the first command line from text file and paste it into command prompt, then hit enter to execute. If you receive a message saying that the process has completed successfully, then you are done and do not need to apply the remaining steps in part 2 of this video. Now try to open any app that required .NET to work. As you can see, the tool now works without any problem. Also, you can use Add-WindowsCapability command from Windows PowerShell to add .NET 3.5 package if you have a problem with DISM or CMD itself. Right-click on Start icon and open Windows PowerShell as admin. Copy the second command line from text file and paste it into WPS, then hit enter to execute. Now try to open any app that required .NET to work. Part 2, additional fixes before installation. Fixing system errors using command prompt. Search for command prompt by typing cmd into search box and open it as administrator. Copy the third command line, under the C letter, and paste it into cmd, then hit enter to execute. Copy the fourth command line, under the D letter, and paste it into cmd, then hit enter to execute. Restart your laptop to apply changes. Now try to install .NET again by executing the first command using Windows PowerShell command prompt. If the first command failed, execute the second one using Windows PowerShell. Fixing errors using Microsoft .NET Framework Repair Tool. Download the tool from provided link and start it. Follow the tool directions from the tool interface to allow it to start repair process automatically. If you are still unable to install .NET Framework, please feel free to add a comment containing the type of problem and error code you have, and we will do our best to help you. Thanks for watching and for subscription.